Below, guys. Okay, we're in here to see because the kids wanted some stuff. I like to go price before them because they ain't to be trusted. They have me in here spending too much money. Hey guys, look at this. I'm in 5 Below. And look at this wall sign. That's pretty. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. And it's got a stand in the back. So I'm gonna grab that. And then I was looking at these ghoulish faces. That looks scary. This looks definitely scary. Is that supposed to be a baby or a ghost? Then they go a pumpkin, and there's the light of face. But see, they got these 5 Below. These is $5 a piece. Welcome, trick or treat. Then this the whole little thing, which I might make me one of those. Then Hello Pumpkin, no. Right now we're looking at scary. I might get this one too. That'll be 2. Here you go. Look at this. These are t-shirts. Like, we used to go to a Halloween party. Oh, this a hat. And we have t-shirts and stuff. Me and my boys do. So, and my husband. We'll all be at that. So these are glass, guys. Look. This is glass. I thought it was plastic. It's glass. It's beautiful. That's too much for me. That's plastic, and that's plastic. But look at this. They little tiny stools. Ain't that cute? That is so gorgeous. I like it. So look at this mask. Oh my God! Look at that. My boys love this type of stuff. That, and I think it light up in the back. Let me see. Yeah, I know it. It do something in the back. I knew I wasn't crazy. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I like that. And this is where like most of my pajamas come from. If I don't get them from Dollar General for cheap, for $1 or a penny, most of my pajamas. So, and this for the pets. I have cats, so I'm trying to figure out what I can do for my little cat. Those is pet socks. That's cute. Ain't that cute? So these are mostly all for dogs. So I have to find some for my cats and show you how they fix stuff for Halloween. Look at that. Remember these last year for Halloween, but they were hard? That is so weird. Oh, that's cute if you're gonna wear that. Oh look, a score gym kit. And then they have these little ones. These are $1. A 2-foot monster. Now you can get that. Those will look cute. Let me grab a couple of those. I'll grab some of these. And look, they got them as little replicas or whatever they was back there. But for Halloween and Christmas, I go all out for my boys. Look at the skull mask. And let's find some new phones in here. So they do have masks in here. Oh my God, guys, I do not need to be in here with all this candy. Like, literally, it's making me sick. That's why I did not do the Werthers, because I had tons of that last time. No, it was hard for me to even give away. So I said I wasn't going to do that. These are erasers. Look at that. Those erasers. My granddaughter loves 5 Below. Those are cute, them erasers. Let's go down and create for cheap. Now, this is lamination, posters, repositional posters. They got a couple of things in here. You just create a bunch of stuff. But I like that. And here are all the stickers right here. Like, you could get tons of stickers. My granddaughter come here, she's 8, and she gets tons of stickers. This is her go-to store. Okay. So, all of these. Oh, look at that. Color pencil. You come here and rack up on somebody that's artsy up in here. I think that's cute. Look at that. They got Star Wars stuff. They're going to put out the regular stores. So, art kits. Look at that. Watercolor kits. Like, kids could come here and just, you can go crazy being creative. Is this acrylic paint or no? Non-toxic water. I need acrylic paint. So that's what I want. A big thing. I think for Christmas I'm gonna bite the buck and get me some. See, some things ain't worth buying. Look at that. $1. Those are 50 cents. Got traveling games in here. Yahtzee, Uno. My kids love Uno. Uno Barbie. They have a fit if I bring that home. Like, that's Barbie. I'm not playing with that. These are cute. I got a little, my little nephew. He'll love those. Man, look at Star Wars in here for $5. Like, you can't beat this. You cannot beat Star Wars, Avengers, all of that. So, I know I'll be back in this store. And then Rising Secret Warrior, this squirrel girl. Oh, y'all know I know these because of my kids, right? Oh, My Little Pony, the movie. Fan series. That's the Storm King. $5. Come on, guys, now. No reason why these kids should not have no toys for Christmas. It's just not. But my church collect when we give, so we okay. Look, this was so cute. I can see my boys climbing on that. I would be terrified to get it. All of that. Okay, so boxing gloves, that's what they wanted. So my husband said those weren't good. He was like, those ain't good. They're going to break their wrist. So he was like, no, can do, don't get those. Now, I have a friend. And she make tons of money because she redo these cups. Okay? Like, I'm creative, but I don't do this type. This sublimation, that type of stuff. She redo them. She glitter them. She put people's names on them. Like, it's so much stuff you could do with other stuff to fill it. And she did a plastic one I thought was cute. But I don't like bottles you have to suck out the tops. So I wouldn't get that. But those are. That's what she does. It's nice. All the workout equipment you want. All of it. All of it. A rolling ball. That thing really helps you. Like if you got a kink, roll on one of those. It helps. You get the kink out of it. Okay. Yoga bag. Oh, they got yoga clothes in here now. Oh. Honey. Work hard, train harder. Tacos. Yep, that's me. I love tacos. Rebel. That's me also. I think I'm a rebel. I'm sure I'm not. Oh, look. Warning, video games in progress. That's one. This my other son. He think that is so funny doing that. And I swear to God, my other one like nuggets. Like, that's all he eat. When we go, like to store, McDonald's, oh my goodness, nuggets. So this is all that gear. Everything that's probably going to, okay, now these are last chance t-shirts and stuff. I gave away a ton of t-shirts for my 2,000 subscriber. I gave away like 10 t-shirts. So I really want to give some more away because I think that's like the best thing people can get is clothes. And I love t-shirts. Like, I'm obsessed with them. So, oh wow. Five Below gonna put a whole bunch of people out of business. They selling LOL for $5, which is expensive. They selling makeup cases. Look at that. Oh yeah, they putting them out of business. Perfume. It smells what hard over here. I don't like it, but it's here. Oh look, gorgeous. But that's a makeup thing. I thought it was a little plaque. All the Wet n Wild is in here. Now they got book bags. Like, where's the accessories kit at? Let me go back and look. They even got nails you could redo. Lord have mercy. But I know some nail techs, you can't touch them. Y'all know that's what that's my second career, nail tech. So when y'all start seeing my fingers and you're like, what is going on? That's what's going on. I got to do my second career. My whole family started a second career. I got all kind of hats and stuff. It's cute. Oh, here's some more dog clothes. I swear to God, at first I thought this was a kid outfit. I was like, how you wear that? So here you is with, they built a bigger space. This right here, I got a friend that she puts these on her walls and put candles on. They are so pretty. Like, I have plenty of friends and we do craft and stuff. Craft, 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 craft. And here's a wall shelf. But I couldn't figure out, like, it was too tiny or something. I don't know. Hanging wall shelf. That's pretty. These are multifunctional storage containers. And that's a half moon mirror wall, but it's only one. Would have been nice if it was two. Oh, see, some of their stuff don't went up to $10, and I don't even understand that. Sweet that's pretty. Love wins. Yes, it does. Look at that, lights. That's pretty. Then look, the brunch club. They got globes. $2.50 for the globes. I could see myself doing this and putting crystals all over those dark spots. All of the tech goods, cases, they $5. All of the plugs you need. I think they got a whole plug area, guys. But you can't beat it. It's the mouses. They got iPhone cases, covers, all kind of stuff. I can see them putting a couple of people out of business. They gotta watch Five Below. They getting real slick. But it's okay. We can do it. Okay. I like this. I always liked it that. Can't you tell I'm a mom, a boy mom? Because I like all of that. Okay, guys. So that's it for Five Below. I'm going to get this. That's $5. This is $5. And these are $1. And I got 2, 3, 4 of them. So $19. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, and share. Bye.